students, here we are once again with a very important concept of class 10. That is, what is the role of antacids? Why doctor recommend antacids when a person suffers from acidity? I will explain you what exactly is acidity and how the problem can be solved. And at the end of this video, I will also tell you few possible questions based on this concept. What exactly is acidity? You know, in our stomach, HCl, hydrochloric acid, is released by the gastric glands. And this hydrochloric acid is very essential to kill the microorganisms which is present in the foodstuff during digestion. So this HCl, it kills the microorganisms. But sometimes, due to one or the other reason, the acid content in the stomach goes beyond limit. Means goes beyond the required amount. And this exactly is the acidity problem. Means acid is secreted in the excess amount in your stomach. So the pH level of this acid is nearly 1 to 3. Means it is highly acidic. We cannot remove that excess acid. So we know that acid can be neutralized by base. So what here the doctors do, they recommend antacid. And in most of the cases, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesia plays a very important role in neutralizing this excess acid. Milk of magnesia is the base whose pH value is almost 10 to 11. Means even this is highly basic. So when you consume that milk of magnesia, which is basic in nature, when it comes in contact with that excess of acid, the acid is neutralized. Neutralization reaction, we know, acid combines with base to form salt and water. So the excess acid in your stomach is neutralized by this milk of magnesia. So all the antacid medicines are nothing but they are simple base. And milk of magnesia is the commonly used antacid. Now, as I said, the possible questions. What is acidity? How the problem can be solved? Why doctor recommends milk of magnesia to the person suffering from acidity? Or explain the acidity problem and the role of antacid with the help of pH values. So, if you know the entire concept, you can answer any type of question based on this concept. So, instead of learning question, answer, question, answer, question, answer, it's better you become perfect in the concept. Let any type of question be asked in the board exam. If you know the concept, you can answer any type of question. Hope this concept is quite clear to you, and if it is clear to you, share this video among your friends. And to get the updates of such useful, helpful, interesting videos, press the subscribe button and subscribe our channel so that you will get the updates of such helpful videos. So my dear students, thank you so much for watching this video.